Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to properly clean and cut a fish step by step. Whether you're preparing dinner or learning a useful kitchen skill, this simple process will help you get clean, fresh fillets with less waste. A cutting board. Before you begin, and clean water. Make sure you have a sharp fillet knife. A sharp knife is much safer and makes cleaner cuts than a dull one. Start by rinsing the fish under cold water to remove any dirt or slime from the surface. If the fish still has scales, hold it firmly by the tail and use the back of a knife or a fish scaler to scrape from the tail toward the head. Continue until all the scales have been removed. Then rinse the fish again. Next, make a shallow cut along the belly from the vent up toward the head. Carefully open the cavity and remove all the internal organs. Be gentle to avoid puncturing any organs that could affect the taste of the meat. Once everything has been removed, rinse the inside thoroughly with cold water until it's completely clean. If you want to remove the head, cut just behind the gills using a firm, controlled motion. This step is optional and depends on how you plan to cook the fish. Now it's time to fillet the fish. Starting behind the head, make a cut down to the backbone. Turn your knife so it's flat against the bones, then slowly slice along the backbone toward the tail. Let the knife do the work, using smooth, steady strokes. Once you've removed the first fillet, flip the fish over and repeat the same process on the other side. If the fillets still have skin attached and you prefer skinless fish, place the fillet skin side down. Hold the tail end firmly, slide the knife between the skin and the flesh, and gently separate them while keeping the blade as close to the skin as possible. Finally, inspect each fillet for any remaining pin bones. Remove them with clean tweezers or fishbone pliers. Give the fillets one last rinse, pat them dry with paper towels, and they're ready for your favorite recipe. Cleaning and cutting fish takes practice, but every time you do it, you'll become faster and more precise. The key is to work carefully, keep your tools sharp, and maintain good hygiene throughout the process. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.